Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to unlock a track in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorder, and so on. So let's go ahead guys and see how to get started unlocking our tracks and locking them. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open up the audio recorder option right here, which is going to open up this new recording menu where at the top of the screen we can get started recording with the big red circle and so on. And what we want to do is go right here into the upper left corner and click on this edit mode. And the edit mode, this is going to open up this mixing mode where we can find all of the tracks that we have. So you can see here's my drum track, we have my keyboard, audio recorder, and so on. So let's go and see guys, all we need to do to be able to lock our tracks, basically guys, you do not have the same options as on your Mac. You cannot lock them directly right here. As you can see, when clicking on them, we do not have the option to lock them. What we can do is select the track and click the FX options right here at the top of the screen. Clicking FX, it's going to open up our filter and repeater options. As you can see, we have our lock settings right here, so we can go ahead and click this option to lock our tracks. And once we are satisfied, we do not want to lock them anymore, we can click them again. As you can see, it's going to change to unlocked, and this is how you can lock and unlock all your tracks using FX. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.